Hotel Bravo, nice job following the citation on a 4-mile final. Connect tower 126.0.
260, Hotel Bravo, Roger.
Nice job. You hear him say that? I want everybody to hear that.
Arnold Palmer Regional Airport.
Palmer Tower Information Hotel 1153 Zillow. Wind at 240 at 15, gust 25. Visibility east. Ceiling 1,600 overcast. Temperature 3, dew point 2. Altimeter 29094. GPS runway 24 for reaching use. Notice airman runway 24 flight slip out of service. Advise on initial contact to hotel.
Cool. Okay. Get the clearance here.
Palmer Grounds, citation November 80 Hotel Bravo.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Palmer Grounds.
We're on the ramp at V-Nil with the hotel, looking for an IFR to Harrisburg, Middletown.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, clear to Middletown Airport is filed. Maintain 5,000, expect 15,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 121.2, squawk 2517.
Nature Hotel Bravo is cleared as filed. After departure, climb maintain 5,000, expect 15,000, 10 minutes after departure. 121.2 on the departure and 2517 on the squawk.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, read that correct.
Okay, so go down here to the flight plan. I got to sync them up. Somebody already put it in there. Oh, you did? Yeah, it's. I'm sorry, I didn't. No, that's all right. Just go back to flight plan. It'll be all there.
Pick up IFR to Vero Beach.
And myself. Okay, I'm going to do perf for neat. Okay. And I got 2 overweight people. Thank you. Got 150.
Turner 802, Palmer Ground, clear to Vero Beach Airport is filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 240, 10 minutes after departure.
I'm overweight. I got to quit eating these donuts.
Squawk 2555.
I did this morning. I'm not going to eat that. I ate 2 pieces of nut roll.
3
pizzelles.
240. After 121.2, squawking 2555.
I went biking on Saturday. I did 10 miles. I was really feeling good. And my brother sent me a text and said, Christmas is coming. I said, your cookies better be coming too. Because he always makes this fantastic cookies. And he goes, UPS said 3 days. Flight plan's in, all right. All right, let's keep on going here now. We got the speeds, okay. Engine only buttons are required. Okay, takeoff data's in. Filled that. Okay, avionics check set. Okay, I got 250 here. 2 for reference over here. And I got 5,000 up here. And I got the squawk in. Okay. Perfect. That's okay. Takeoff. That's going to go away. Avionics check autopilot.
Autopilot.
Okay, altimeter's check 2994, 1140, 1140, 1140. Okay. Okay. Pressurization 310, correct. Decant. We got it on. Okay, we're ready to taxi. Perfect.
At Palmer Ground, citation November 8 Hotel Bravo at V-Nil with hotel and a clearance ready taxi.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Palmer Ground, need 24 taxi V Alpha.
24 V Alpha, 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
All right, sign is clear. Airplane feel good?
Feels very good.
It feels very, very good. This is the best airplane.
It really is.
I think.
No, it is.
I mean, for what I do.
Yeah, for what anybody does.
For what you tell me. I could only go by what you tell me.
I understand.
I've never been in a CJ3. And I think that would be a nice airplane.
It would. There's nothing wrong with CJ3. This is better.
Yeah.
Okay, brakes are good. Steering is good. I didn't do the, let me see here. Got that one. Got that one. Okay, good. All right, we got takeoff. We got flaps 15.
We are good to go.
I saw your helicopter. You did good. You were smiling the whole time.
It went very, very well.
You didn't go anywhere. You just were hovering.
Yeah. Well, that's all I wanted to put on. But it was like, yes, it was very, very comfortable. After 6 weeks, I was concerned that.
But you're ready to climb in that thing.
300-400 feet. I mean, it's nothing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Retire. Citation November 8, your Hotel Bravo. Be ready on 2-4.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Palmer Tower, pursuit on course, runway 24, clear for takeoff, wind 240 at 15, gust 25, altimeter 29 5.
Roger, on course, clear for takeoff up to 5,000, Hotel Bravo.
Okay. Yeah, good.
There you are. 9397.
Sir. Right side is clear.
You ready?
I am ready.
Here we go.
We go now.
Oh, yeah, my thing's ready.
Hotel 468 Palmer Ground, cleared Allegheny County Airport via direct to Nesto Direct.
That one guy's going to Vero Beach.
Frequency 121.
Power is set.
Score 51.
Airspeed's line, both sides. 80 cross is good. B1 and rotate. Let's go flying.
There we go.
Hotel 468, read that correct?
Get a little bit of altitude before I make my left turn here.
Hotel Bravo, contact on time departure. Good day.
Hey, Hotel Bravo, Roger, good day. Good morning, Johnstown, Citation November 8, Hotel Bravo, with you climbing to 5,000 out of 3,400.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Johnstown departure, ident, got traffic 10 o'clock in 2 miles, westbound the Caravan at 6.
8 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
7951, traffic just off the right side, a mile and a half. Turn to the east is a Citation at a 4500 for 5.
I got him in sight, 951.
How about that?
For the 951, you can
There it is.
approach 123.95. Good day.
Very nice.
Hotel Bravo, radar contact 4 to the south of Latrobe. Traffic snow factor, climb maintain 8,000.
8,000, 8 Hotel Bravo.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, contact Cleveland Center 124.4. Good day.
24-4, good day, 8 Hotel Bravo. Good morning, Cleveland, Citation November 8, Hotel Bravo, with you climbing to 6,500 for 8,000.
November 80 Hotel Bravo, Cleveland Center, maintain 15,000, altitude altimeter 2986.
15,000, 8 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
Perfect.
Southwest 1617, climb maintain flight level 280.
Harrisburg Tower, information Lima.
The autopilot capture.
Zulu, wind 300 at 7, visibility 10.
Focus on,
Feeling
you get the weather?
broken, temperature
I'm gonna do that.
4, 2.1, altimeter 2983. Visual approach, runway 31 in use.
Visual to 31.
Contact you have.
Well,
300 at 7, 10 miles, 25,000 scattered.
oh my.
2983.
Oh my.
I'm not sure you can handle it. That's a lot of change in altimeter for that length of distance.
Yeah, I'm going to have to sync it up here.
And ice whenever you're ready.
Yeah, see that.
Achilles.
New York, November.
All right, let's put in a perp for that here.
Smooth.
4 Juliet Mike, New York, altimeter 2983. Advice Enterprise altitude changes.
Runway 31.
2983, 4 Juliet Mike, low advice.
Okay, dry wet runway slope. What's the wind? 300 at 7. 4. Oh, that's it in. What did I do there? It looks good. Trying to get.
80 Hotel Bravo, descend to maintain 900,000.
900,000, 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
80 Hotel Bravo, contact Harrisburg approach 124.1.
24-1, 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger. 107, 114.
And it's information Lima.
Harrisburg approach, citation November 80 Hotel Bravo, leaving 11 for 900,000 with information Lima.
Alright, 2 calling at once, UPS 9880, turn right heading at 250, International Airport will be between your 1 and 2 o'clock and 1
That's
mile.
Shorts is every time we come up here, we're behind that Shorts. Well, and I think she should talk to you first.
November 80 Hotel Bravo, Harrisburg approach, Harrisburg altimeter is 2983, expect a visual approach, runway 31, descend and maintain 5,000, and verify you have ATIS information, Mike.
We have Mike, and we'll go down to 5,000, we'll expect a visual 318 Hotel Bravo.
We got Lima, but I'll get Mike.
56 Zulu, wind 290 at 9er, visibility 10.
Wow.
Ceiling 20,000 broken, temperature 4, 2.0, altimeter 2983.
You'll see it over there. I mean, that's it right there. Okay, I see it.
Yeah. Nature Hotel Bravo, we have the airport in sight.
0 Hotel Bravo, Roger. You're going to be number 2 following traffic on the opposite downwind. That's your little in front of your 9 o'clock towards your 10 o'clock and 10 miles, 4,000, King Air.
Okay, Nature Hotel Bravo, got it.
King Air 7 Charlie Victor, clear visual approach, runway 31, tower 124.8. Good morning.
We're not going to Maryland, we're going to Harrisburg. 24.87, Charlie Victor, good day.
Actually, we kind of are headed towards Maryland, right? Yeah, we are. It won't be long, we'll be there.
King Air beating us in, huh?
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, descend and maintain 3,000, turn left heading 100.
100 down to 3,000, Nature Hotel Bravo, Roger.
Altitude.
Hello, Harrisburg, Mooney, November 3863 Hotels at 4,600 feet.
Mooney 3836 Hotel, Harrisburg approach. Lancaster altimeter is 2982.
2982, and it's 3863 Hotel, ma'am.
Okay, I'll get that changed.
Thank you.
All right, let's put this out of the way here. I want to fly direct to this point right here. Yeah, you should be
VNAV.
There's a.
I'll go nav, VNAV.
Should do it.
Yeah.
Maybe it will do it, especially now.
Yeah, we're coming at a better angle.
Yep.
Altitude.
4 for 3.
Sure, let that King Air in ahead of me.
And
Jets, trump, props.
that's what it's supposed to be, yeah.
Jets, trump, props. Okay, we're coming up on 3,000. Yeah, it's going to work good from this angle.
Yeah. Yeah, he's just joining the final there.
Get down, put one notch of flaps in here, 200. I got it right there.
Just off your left side.
I see him.
Don't think you can catch him if you try it.
She really putting me out there. 5 mile final would have worked good on this.
Yeah.
107. Was it 107 and 114?
Yep. 107, 114, exactly true.
We have quite a bit of fuel on board. I'm putting enough fuel on to go to Richmond and home.
Let's see. We need 1,500 pounds to go to Richmond.
How much?
1,500.
No.
That's what it says. Let's see here. 1,300 pounds. Yeah. Let's make sure I'm going to the right Richmond.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, turn left heading 360, verify you still have the field in sight.
We have the field in sight and 360 H at Bravo.
Clear visual approach runway 31, tower 124.8, have a good day.
One over the tower, we're clear for the visual, H Hotel Bravo, Roger. Okay, now I'm going to go direct. Right here. And valid direct too?
You have to go direct to the nav point first. There you go.
Yeah, okay. Then direct again?
See, I don't know. I don't think it's going to let you. Go ahead, try it. Everything works.
7 Charlie Victor, right there, and taxiway Delta, taxi to flight via Delta
and crank down the altitude. It'll all work.
Okay, Delta and Golf, on ground point 7 out flight for 7 Charlie Victor.
Tower, Flyworks 40, we're ready to go, runway 31.
Flyworks 40, Harrisburg Tower, fly runway, heading runway 31.
Sir, we're heading there.
1300.
Now it's working.
Runway heading
Working perfectly.
Takeoff, Flyworks 40. Harrisburg Tower, citation November Each Hotel Bravo on a visual for 31.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Harrisburg Tower, runway 31, clear to land, wind 3106.
Clear to land, H Hotel Bravo, Roger. Okay, Captain.
It's all going to work.
Yeah, now it's working great. I guess it's the angle that you come in.
Yeah, she gave you plenty of angles to choose from.
Flew me to Philadelphia. Hey, lights on? Yeah, everything on. I'm gonna put my landing light on. I could put my pulse lights on.
And probably should that be better.
Okay, here we are. I'm gonna slow her down a little bit. Pretty far out here yet for a gear down. Let's see when we make a turn here.
You haven't pushed nav yet. That's what the problem is.
I did, I thought. No, I didn't. Good catch. Very good catch.
Flyworks 40, contact departure, good day.
Okay, we'll past it.
Flyworks 40 will contact departure, good day.
Yeah, it's kind of, it took the path away because, like,
yeah, it's still there.
It'll never pick up the path. There we go. Now everything's coming back.
How'd you do that? You put
direct, yeah.
Yeah, but it was
just because the angles were wrong.
Yeah, but it would have come back.
Yeah, that would have never come back.
I had the donut and I had the snowflake and the donut.
But the path was gone because the angles wouldn't work. You're outside the angle.
All right.
Trying to protect you from yourself.
Yeah, good. That's our all learning experiences.
25 knots right on the nose. Well, that's what the Kinger's problem was. As soon as he made the turn, he stopped.
Yeah. Wind at this elevation is a lot higher.
Altitude.
Okay, I'm on glide path.
Got it all.
thought I pressed nav and VNav.
Yes, you did.
Why
but
did
at that point, if you would put directed, it would have worked.
I did press direct to that, and then direct to the other one.
Then you must not have pushed nav. Somewhere you didn't. Somewhere the nav dropped out.
I have to agree with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it dropped out. That's something we ought to check that scoreboard, huh?
Yeah. 3 green, no red. It is runway 31. You are cleared to land straight ahead.
Well, looks like it's going to be low. Doesn't it?
It's going low right now, yeah.
There it is.
Autopilot.
Yeah, so why do we do that? What happened?
500.
I don't know. You're on the 3 degrees.
Yeah, I had 500 in the...
Yeah. It's got to be the difference between the VASI and the 3 degrees. And
maybe one's over the end of the runway, one's on the threshold.
Yeah, that's what's got to be, because you're right on the 3 degrees. And you're right on the VASI now.
Now I am, because I raised it up.
And you're still right on the...
3 green, no red, clear to land.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's going on? Maybe just... Well, we were getting low.
Yeah, that was one question. It's going, yeah. Now it's doing exactly. Now it captured the altitude, so it's going to go. It's going to stop you there.
.107, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. .05.
Very nice.
Altitude.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, turn right, taxiway Delta, taxi to F flight, be a straight ahead on Delta and Golf, monitor ground .7.
Hey, Hotel Bravo, Roger. Oh, there's the police.
Already?
Yeah. Coming after us. What did we do wrong?
They're just jealous at all.
I can tell you one thing. I want to blast that King Air for coming in so slow.
We've been here with him before. We have been here with him before.
My camera wasn't on.
Oh, that's bad. 9444.
Much fuel we got here? 400 pounds.
Just about everything you put on now is courtesy fuel.
Morning ground, UPS 2173 Heavy, taxi Mike.
UPS 2173 Heavy, runway 31, taxi via Golf Foxtrot Alpha.
Golf Foxtrot Alpha, tree 1, UPS 2173.
Cool.
Taxi.